Here we get. This password. So this is, it looks like that they are doing lots of work here. So they're doing work on this. They're kind of doing a new. Yes, let's go see here. Let's go see what we see here. It's a lot of work really. You see, they're doing the whole brand new here. And this is Sambuca. I think it's like a bar where to drink something. This is Atima Beach Bistro. That's the restaurant. Here is the pool. You can see the pool. Let's see, let's go this way. And here, let's go see the beach. We got all the people here working. Look at this here. Well, let's look at the pool first. So this is the pool. Looks okay. Doesn't look, it's not big really, it's very small, but I think it's okay. Even if this is the bistro. Even if the, you see it's kind of very small really. But I mean, you got the ocean here, so it looks nice. We may gonna have to fly our drone one of this day. We're gonna sit now here and have something to drink at Sambuca. Let's see how that is. But let's go look here first. So here you can see this is the beach. Very nice. The beach is nice really, and look, it's so calm, but so calm, the water. And it looks like a pier. There's something, don't know really what it is, but look, it looks very nice really. I have to say that the beach is nice, and look how calm it is. There you have another restaurant, something. So let's look, let's see how it is. We may tomorrow gonna come here and swim a little bit, take a swim. Let's see how it is. Let's go have something to drink now here. Let's see what they have in the menu here, and let's see. Okay guys, so I ordered some, looks like some pork meatball, something like that. Just a snack, I don't want to eat really. So we're gonna have now a Leo here, and thank you. And then we're gonna try to eat something, and let's see how it is. And that's it, I think, for today. This will be. Maybe later we're gonna go eat somewhere else. Thank you. So guys, cheers. It's good. Let's see, I'm asking for the Wi-Fi. Sambuca?
Oh,
Apa? I don't know. I just need a password. We just need a password to connect, right? That's all what we need. Oh, okay, here he comes. Hopefully we're gonna have a password to connect. This password? Can I 0808. Okay, so 0842. Let's see if we actually do it right. 0842 0842 455 455 455 455 455. Let's see if we connect. Connect. So we got the internet.
Small any
60?
60 any 90
Okay, give me
big ดีกว่า
Okay, give me big. She's good. Say hi. YouTube.
อ๋อโอเค
YouTube. Say hi.
เอาบิ๊กไหม
So she says 60 baht for the small, 90 baht for the big. Better the big. Yes, big.
Big?
Yeah, Chai. She's good, huh? She does our business good. Thank you. Go crab. So practically, we're waiting for something to eat. And here we got food. Yep. Thank you. So let me show you guys what we're gonna eat now, okay? So this is what we are eating. So we have some meatball with some salad, and they give us ketchup and some hot sauce. And here we have our Leo. And this is what we see in the front. Beautiful, enjoyable. All right, okay, let's eat. Let's see how it is. I'm trying the sauce. It's spicy. It's really spicy. It's good. The food is good. The beer is good. The atmosphere is good. Everything is okay. Alright, okay guys. See you later. Hotel.